This is the Godrej Advantis IoT 9 smart lock, and I'm going to tell you what all you get inside the box of this particular smart lock. So let's get here and let's get started. Well, it comes with 3-year warranty. It comes with free installation, of course, and the box is pretty sturdy to start off with. Let me show you what all is inside. Here you get a whole manual in terms of how to install it properly, where the locks need to go, where the pins need to go and all of that. You got some protection layer over here. This is the main front side of the lock. What you would see on your door, it goes either ways. It's got the fingerprint thing going over here and it's got some wiring and things at the back. Then you have the back side where the brain of the smart lock actually is in here, and it also has battery positioning over here. So this is where your AA battery cells go in. Another little box inside with, of course, RFID. And you've got, of course, batteries also. The AA Duracell batteries are in here. And the most important and the critical bit of any lock is the key. So that is also present here. You have the smart hub, and you also get an adapter for it. So all you need to do is plug it in here and put it inside your home so that all the smart features work properly. You've got another button using which you can unlock this lock. And another very important thing, all of this is being made in India. All of your data is going to be stored on local Indian servers, so you don't have to worry about your fingerprints, your Face ID, all of that going anywhere else. So let me show you real world implications of the Advantis IoT 9. Sabse pehle, let me show you this very interesting thing. This is the app that it comes with. Now, using the app, you can unlock it no matter where you are in the world. Then you've got an activity trail mode as well, where you can see what all measures were used to unlock it. And this is how it looks when it's actually positioned. You can use the traditional fingerprint access. You have a pin mode also that you can use to enter here. Amazon Alexa integration. Then you have Google Home integration, RFID tags, of course. And there's a button as well. And then you can pair it up with your video home. So what you can do is, if somebody rings a bell over here, you can unlock it from this. You've got the traditional old school lock and key in case of technology going south. Got NFC using your mobile phone as well. You can unlock it. So there are 9 ways, and not to forget, my personal favorite is the smartwatch integration. You can unlock this using your smartwatch as well. Here are the other usage. You can see it's got a dual authentication mode, limited time password, passage mode. So what passage mode basically does is, you can allow a particular time in terms of when the lock will be naturally unlocked. So if you've got a party going on at home, all of that works then. Then there are different alarms. It's got OTA software updates. So in case there needs to be some update that needs to happen, you can do all of that through OTA. Type-C connectivity for emergency power supply, and over 16 different applications and security measures. So all in all, it's a very smart product and is a must-have if you're looking to make your home smarter in a very simple way.